Hello, friends. This is your friend CA Kartik Pandit here, along with my friend Dr. CA Chaitanya Shah, and we are back on our SME series. This time, we are going to speak on a very important topic related to SME, which talks about the stages of financial management in the growth of an SME. Growth is what an every SME aspires, but it has to follow a logical growth as far as the financial management is concerned. And Chaitanya is going to talk about the financial management which will help your SME to grow at a faster and a desired level. Chaitanya, what to you?
Okay, Karthik, that's great. Friends, for any MSME, growth is the precondition because of which they are getting into the business with big dreams and all. And in that journey, one of the very important aspect, which is as one of the pillars for the growth, is the financial management. Now, what happens is financial management itself evolves along with the organization. When the organization is at an idea stage or at a startup and then going to micro, Karthik, I would suggest you can put the slide. I mentioned, you can just have a look at, when you are moving from idea to startup and micro, the basic focus of the entrepreneur is on validating. He's focusing on his business idea and correspondingly, along with that, the market size of it. Because unless these two matches, his business cannot grow or his business cannot get established. So because of that focus on that and the size of the operations, he must focus primarily on compliances. Compliances in terms of when we are talking of financial management is purely accounting to start with. In accounting, what you do, you try to understand what is the result of your operation and compliances with respect to the government authorities. I have found that most of these people are struggling till the last day of filing the returns. Today, in our age where we have everything online, if you have your GST returns and income tax returns online filed in time, you will be saving a lot of headache and a lot of time, which will in turn help you to basically focus on your business ideas and market and validating those particular areas for your growth of your business. As you grow to the next stage, and that stage where you are becoming small scale, next, in the next stage where you are at the small scale level, what happens? Your operations, you are more comfortable with understanding the market, your own establishing technology and all that. In next stage, your focus is more on increasing the size of your business. Say, for example, you may be having a 5 ton, 10 ton or something, you want to increase it to 100 tons or 200 tons of capacity for your product. Now, at this stage, when you are doing it, your compliance stage will move to basically complying and creating the accounting sets or your accounting records, which will help you to fund. How the funding will be given by the banks or the other lenders, whether they are from the government or from the private sector, it depends whether you are raising a debt fund or a equity fund from your friends and other things. It will help you to generate the confidence. And that is what is very important. This is what the original, the business who has been establishing as an entrepreneur, he should focus on the funding part and related requirements from the financial record. So that is the next stage of your evolution. And the third and the most is when you go to the medium scale. Medium scale is today where you think in terms of going with a turnover up to even 250 crores. Now, in that stage, you may be looking at a much bigger market and other things, and your financial decision becomes very, very crucial for the growth of the business. And this is something where you have to really focus on. And for that, you have to focus more on your financial management from decision-making support system. And that comes from management accounting, where you not only do your financial accounting, but you also start projecting, creating business plans and other things. which will help you to grow in a bigger way. Your decision making process will be too fine. Your costing systems and other monitoring system, including the organization, whether it is a budgeting system and all these things have to start getting into the play, whereby the CEO of the company as well as the top team and the top management team, whether it's a board of directors, because now even SMEs are coming out with a lot of public issues and all. So creating the governance system, your management accounting will help in a big way. So this is, Karthik, is something which we need to, we are focusing on this, because understanding and appreciating financial management at each stage in different forms with the greater, level of understanding and making use of it becomes very, very essential.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, not repeating what you said, I think understanding and appreciating financial management at each stage is very critical. And only issue is that the pie of importance to be given at a various stage would differ. But it does not mean that you don't have to pay attention to compliance when you become a medium scale. But the importance and the pie it would be very large in terms of finance compliance when you are a startup versus when you are at a medium scale. So it's all about the test of the pudding, as they say, is in allocating the correct pie of importance to your growth and all related to financial management. Thank you, Chaitanya.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Chaitanya. This this is the wisdom, friends, that Chaitanya and we have developed over the years for the benefit of small scale industry. Well, sales and marketing is important, but unless you make profit, the SME is no good. Unless you have financial management, it's no good. So here are tips to make your business not only successful, but also financially viable and successful. As of now, bye for now. See you soon.
Okay. Bye.